If you think you understand the Earth's weather, you are probably wrong. Our climate's temperature, rain, winds and tides shift constantly, often with so little rhyme or reason that not even the weathermen can keep up. But that just shows how vastly complicated the systems are that govern the Earth's climate. Hi, I'm Chris, and you're watching SciFact Central. Today, we're diving into the intricate web of cycles that govern our weather and climate, and exploring whether humanity has a significant impact on the changes we see. From Milankovitch cycles to atmospheric wind patterns, the influence of the sun and the moon, and movements deep within the Earth's core, it all plays a role. Let's clear the air and unravel exactly why the weather is the way it is today. To understand our global climate, we need to start by thinking about our place in the solar system. What causes the seasons that we are familiar with? You may already know that our planet's tilt is the key factor, because the Earth rotates at a tilted angle as it orbits the Sun. One hemisphere points towards the Sun more during part of the year while the other points away. This tilt causes the seasons we know, summer and winter. However, the Earth's tilt isn't static. It changes over time, and this affects our climate. The Sun's gravity isn't the only force pulling at us. Large planets like Jupiter and Saturn also exert significant gravitational influence. This interplay of forces creates Milankovitch cycles, named after Serbian geophysicist Milutin Milankovitch. One such cycle involves the changing shape of our orbit over 100,000 years. When our orbit is more elliptical, we experience greater temperature extremes, with warmer periods when closer to the Sun and colder periods when further away. Another cycle involves the tilt of the Earth's axis, which changes between 22.1 and 24.5 degrees over 41,000 years. Surprisingly, a smaller tilt can lead to ice ages, as milder summers prevent snow from melting, causing ice to accumulate and reflect more sunlight, further cooling the planet. These cycles help explain the occurrence of ice ages and interglacial periods. We are currently in an interglacial period, a brief moment of warmth between ice ages. However, without this warmer period, much of human history would have occurred during colder conditions. Thanks to Milankovitch cycles, this period of warmth will eventually end, and another ice age will come. But the influence of these cycles extends beyond the Earth's tilt and orbit. Let's look at the El Niño Southern Oscillation, a cycle originating in the Pacific Ocean. During El Niño, trade winds weaken, causing warm water to accumulate near the Americas, resulting in weather changes worldwide, including droughts in South Asia and Australia, and flooding in the Americas. El Niño and its counterpart, La Niña, which strengthens trade winds, are part of a global cyclical phenomenon. These cycles impact marine life, agriculture, and even human infrastructure, highlighting the interconnectedness of our climate systems. The Sun's 11-year cycle, known as the Schwabe cycle, also affects our weather. During the solar maximum, increased solar activity leads to more sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. These events can disrupt satellite communications, GPS systems, and power grids on Earth. Geomagnetic storms caused by solar flares can warm and expand our atmosphere, affecting satellite orbits and GPS accuracy. The Sun's cycles can also influence ecosystems and even human health, with studies suggesting correlations between solar activity and various health conditions. Now, let's talk about the lunar nodal cycle. Every 18.6 years, the Moon's orbit shifts slightly, affecting high tides and increasing flood risks. The next alignment in the mid-2030s could cause significant flooding, especially with rising sea levels due to climate change. Understanding these cycles helps us prepare for their impacts. Coastal cities can build better flood defenses, and we can take steps to mitigate the effects of climate change, ensuring a safer future for all. While natural cycles influence our climate, human activities have introduced new variables, accelerating changes and adding complexity. By understanding these cycles and our role in them, we can better prepare for the future. Stay curious and join us next time as we explore more fascinating topics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. See you next time.